Hey you guys, welcome back to K&K's Inspired Creations with Latara. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this very simple but cute lemon mug topper. So I started off by grabbing a mug, the mug that I was going to use for this mug topper, and just kind of tracing the circumference of the lid so that I can make sure that when I pipe on here, it goes over the lid and it's not too small. So I do just have some white spackle. You know, I use Fast and Final by DAP, lightweight. You can get it from any hardware store. And I like it because it has the best texture and you don't have to add paint to it. So I did get this little foam ball that you get from Dollar Tree. I ended up just cutting it in half because I didn't need a whole one. And now I am just piping. There you go. Yep, the Fast and Final DAP. That's all I ever use when it comes to mug toppers. And so I'm just kind of slowly piping it like in like a swirl all the way up until I make a peak. It's very easy to do. So, you know, all you need is a piping bag and stuff like that or whatever. So what I'm doing now is I am going to make like a lemon drip for my mug topper. So what I'm doing is I got that little glass thing that I'm using to store my drip. I got it from Dollar Tree, but I am using nutmeg brown and antique white from Apple Barrel. You can find both of these at Dollar Tree. And then I am taking some Glossy Mod Podge and putting that in there as well. And it's probably half Mod Podge and then half paint because you want the Mod Podge to make it glisten, make it shiny. And so I'm just taking it and I'm just kind of piping it or dripping it all over my spackle just to make it look how I want it to look. This color came out great. I don't really use this anymore. I actually use like at Dollar Tree you can find those little things, containers that you could put like your ketchup and mustard and stuff in, that plastic container with a little nozzle. That's what I use now because I use a ton of drip. I took a fake cherry that you can get from Amazon, Temu, wherever, sat that on top, and then I grabbed a yellow straw, cut it basically in half, and just kind of stuck it in there because it, you know, it is a drink. Now these little lemon thingies, these are really just Jibbitz that I found at Dollar Tree one day, and I thought that it worked really well, so I just put it on there. And then the last thing I'm doing is just sprinkling a little bit of these little lemon sprinkles that I had. I can't remember where I got them from, but there is like little lemons in their sprinkles. It's actually really cute. You can probably find them on Amazon as well. Finished it off with some glitter. You know, I like that really fine glitter, and that's pretty much it. This was a very, very simple tutorial, a very simple thing that you can make for any season. This is the final reveal. Let me know what you think in the comment. Would you make something like this? And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. And until next time, keep it sweet and keep it creative.